This is a Space Hawk One production.我是
Once, there was a hydrogen atom named Hyd, and he went to his father and asked,
Daddy, why do all my friends have neutrons but I don't?
Well, son, that's a very good question. You see, hydrogen atoms are the simplest atoms in all creation. Hydrogen atoms only have one proton and one electron, and no neutrons. But don't let that get you down, son, because hydrogen atoms can do big things. Take two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, and you make water, the most plentiful substance on planet Earth. Without water, life as we know it would cease to exist. We have other uses. We were used as fuel in space shuttles. And in the past, people used us to fill lighter-than-air transports, like blimps and zeppelins. But we all know how that went. Probably the biggest thing we do is that hydrogen is the most abundant element in the entire universe. That is because stars are composed nearly entirely of hydrogen.
Wow, that's really swell.
It's pretty cool, son.
Is there anything more you can tell me about the hydrogen atom?
Well, hydrogen was first discovered by Henry Cavendish, a British theoretical chemist who lived in the 1700s. Cavendish was experimenting with our cousin iron and some acid when he produced hydrogen. He is generally recognized as the first person to acknowledge us as an element. Speaking of family, I thought I might introduce you to some of hydrogen's close family members. Meet lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium.
Wow, that's a lot of people.
Oh, but that's not all. Hydrogen is only one element on the entire periodic table of elements. I would like to also point out that we share something with our friend helium. We are in the same period, or row, with helium. But hydrogen, unlike helium, has one valence electron.
What's a valence electron?
A valence electron is an electron of an atom, located in the outermost shell of the atom, that can be transferred to or shared with another atom.
Oh.
Looking at our Bohr model or our electron dot diagram, you can easily see our one valence electron.
Wow, I guess being a hydrogen atom isn't that bad after all. But Dad, I was wondering. My friend Selenium says she's a non-metal and that she doesn't evaporate very well. Do hydrogen atoms have any cool properties like that?
Yes, hydrogen atoms have many interesting physical and chemical properties. In the way of physical properties, we are a colorless element, which at room temperature is a gas. We are highly flammable, as seen above, and extremely lightweight. In fact, we have such small mass that we can easily escape Earth's gravitational pull and fly off into space. We have a melting point of negative 259 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of negative 252. As for chemical properties, we do not easily react with other chemicals at room temperature. Hydrogen atoms can form a special bond with other atoms called the hydrogen bond. This is unique to the hydrogen atom in that no other atoms can form this bond. Hydrogen also has three naturally occurring isotopes. They are hydrogen 1, protium, hydrogen 2, deuterium, and hydrogen 3, tritium. And last but not least, hydrogen is the only atom that has either an atomic mass of 1 or an atomic number of 1.
You know what, Dad? I'm glad I'm a hydrogen atom. I'm glad we had this talk.
I'm glad too, son.
I'm gonna go tell Selenium all about how important hydrogen atoms are.
You do that, son.
And with that, little Hyd skipped merrily away, content that he had no neutrons.